How to fix background stream not showing up on your Android device. Background stream lets us play videos or audio while using other applications. So when it does not show up on Android, playback stops as soon as we exit the application. So let's fix this properly. So we can open up our app settings and make sure we are uh, turning on the background stream or background play is enabled. Go to apps for that and find the specific application that supports the background stream, for example, YouTube. Tap on it and look out for background stream or background play. Now, once we do so, what we need to do is we need to go over and disable battery optimization. So within settings, look out for battery and tap on it. And here, look out for the option for unrestricted, the first option. Or if not this, select this option of do not optimize, or restricted should not be selected because battery restrictions can hide the background streaming. Also enable picture in picture. So within the settings itself, look out for the option for picture in picture and tap on it. And once we tap on picture in picture, ensure this option is toggled on. You can turn it on like this by tapping on the toggle on and enable it if required. And apart from that, check app permissions as well. Now within app info itself, tap on permissions and here look out for media, notifications, etc. Tap on it and look out for the option for allow and allow the access to media. Similarly, look out for notifications option, head back, go to notifications, tap on it and ensure this notification option is turned on for YouTube because some applications won't show background options without the permissions. Also update the Google Play Store application. So go to Play Store for that. And once we are headed over there, update the application to the latest version. Go to your profile in the top, tap on it, look out for the option for settings and look out for about and go to Play Store version and tap on update Play Store and update it up. And that should also work out for you. And also clear up cache if needed. Hold the application for that and go to their info. And within there, go over, scroll down, find the section for storage and tap on it. And look out for the option for clear cache and clear the cache if needed. And that's it. That is it, everybody. Those are probably the method you can follow up to fix the background stream not working on your Android device. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.